Looking for something that automatically seals your drywall, a mini car that makes floor stripping a breeze, or an effortless solution to deck removal? Here are some ingenious tools of the new generation. Are you ready to do floor stripping? Unlike the ordinary floor removing tool, this BMS 150E floor stripper can be used to remove vinyl tiles, linoleum floors, and other floor coverings while riding on. Seems fun? Yep, it works like a car and uses a heavy-duty flat blade to do the job. Worried about operating? All you need is a single-phase electrical supply, and you can start stripping floors. This stripper can work in combination with a dust collector, so do you still think of getting another way? Things are getting smarter nowadays, and this UNO extruder is designed with a perfect balance between the human mind and technology. Interesting. This tool has interchangeable welding shoes that can be rotated at 360 degrees, and you can adjust the wielding power and speed in both configurations. Hold on, there's more. This tool has a preset welding parameter that'll make you work like a pro. Try it for yourself and see the difference between your old welding results and today's. It's a whole new way of lifting heavy products through stairs. You must be thinking, how? Well, it's surprisingly easy to operate. Just activate safety brakes, switch on the device, and choose the climbing speed strat climbing with your driving switch. Pretty easy, right? You can lift your stuff to the necessary step height, and even transporting loads downstairs aren't a concern anymore with the automatic braking function. So now you decide, are you going to lift your loads by shoulder? Mixing mud has never been this easy as this MUDMIXER makes. It changes everything. This tool reinvented the way mud is mixed. Wondering how? This is the fastest, easiest multi-use mixer on the market now. With a fully adjustable water input designed to be used with concrete, mortar, or stucco mix, this mixer creates the best possible experience anyone could achieve. Hang on. The heavy-duty steel body is here to withstand all your tough situations. Now it's time to decrease the labor cost and increase the number of jobs done. What you are seeing right now is a drill brush that makes your paint stripping child's play. Take a closer look at its built structure and you'll know how it works. Yep, this brush removes paint, rust, and slags from pipes, grills, and edges in a faster way than any other drill brush. So let's bring a smoother and more homogeneous look to our surface. When everyone is following the regular methods of deck removal, you can keep yourself one step further with this GREENTEK deck removal tool. Surprisingly enough, it takes only a single motion to rip an entire 16-foot board. It saves your back, as you can complete the whole job by standing. Tasks that took hours of labor can be completed in minutes now. Count on this deck removal tool, and you'll definitely wonder where the tool was years ago. Anyone can get confused at first glance with this tool. This is the automatic taper, the best player in the drywall game. Jokes aside, it'll seal your joint by automatically placing the tape on the wall. Thanks to its quick release mechanism, you can save a huge amount of time now. Attach the tape, fill up the tube with mixed mud, and roll it onto the desired line. And the fun part hits when the smooth cutting system and adjustable brake take no hassle to stop taping. Yep, it takes care of the accuracy too. That's impressive. Ever thought of a strapping tool with a sturdy colored touchscreen? Here is the FROMM S-Series strapping solution that provides better control and improves efficiency. You can control all the settings and functionalities with the touchscreen. Want to know the coolest part? You can easily select 3 modes that suit your variety of needs. Not enough? Well, the tension force and strapping speed can be adjusted according to your job. No hassle to dealing with the end-of-line transport packaging from today. This is a personal escape system for the firefighters, EXO AP Descender. The components of this system are made of a hook, a TECNOMETALES rope, and a descent control device. It allows the firefighter to anchor a rope inside the structure. You can place the hook on either a steel pipe or something else sturdy and get down to the ground safely. Any simply trained person can easily get control over it and use it as a best friend for emergencies. And the feature worth mentioning is the anti-panic function, which reduces the chances of overspeeding the descent. This is one of those tools that stands aside fighter fighters to go back to their families after a day. It's time to give yourself the easiest concrete cutting solution. This chainsaw cuts through concrete in such a way you have never seen so far. Seems crazy? Yep. The diamond chain easily wet cuts brick and other concrete materials. With no exhaust fumes, it's perfect for home use. Don't be fooled by its compact size. It delivers power that no other saw has delivered yet. As for the operation, just connect water, plug in, and cut. So yeah, you're surely gonna love it. The name might confuse you, but the Spider Socket 125 is ideal for easy and accurate socket fusion field installations of polypropylene pipe and fittings. Have to deal with overhead, vertical, or tight space situations? No problem. This tool's got your back with the easy use features and compact size. And on top of that, there's no need for electricity or hydraulics. A single technician can take on the whole job, so he can jump from job to job and increase productivity, which will amaze his coworkers. Every concrete or masonry professional will love this tool. The radius adjustable trowel is an exceptional solution for all the concrete contractors for some of their specialized work. It can be adjusted in a concave shape, convex shape, and every shape in between. You can also rotate the handle for extra curvature and clean it deeply by easily detaching each part. Sound too good to hear, isn't it? One single tool, too many benefits. So that was the list of ingenious tools of the new generation. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.